Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about doom nut or Acron nut. So right side you can see this is a kind of nut which is called Acron nut. So it is derived from this name. So this is the standard component you can see in the left side. So I am going to create this component. So let's start now. So I have taken a new Solidworks part file, select the front plane, go to sketch, select polygon, and number of sides is equal to 6, that is hexagon. Select this line and make it vertical, and the distance between these two lines is 24. Go to feature, select extruded boss, select mid plane, and depth is 13 mm. See, I am going to make this component for M16. Select the right plane, keep it in wireframe, draw one center line, draw one 3-point arc, and select this line, this point and this line, make it coincide, and this point and this horizontal line coincide. So it is exactly at the center, and this is a reference arc. So make it into construction, draw one line joining these 2 points, and also make this line as a construction. So this is the shape of the dome, so this is as a reference, and the distance between this line and this end point is, so we have to select the maximum condition, and this is 24. So we have the reference sketch. Now select the center point arc and select this point, and so keep it somewhere else, somewhere here, and select these two and make it coincide. So now we have a 1/4 sector. So I am going to create a revolve feature, select the revolve boss and select this center line. So I am keeping in shaded form and say OK. See here. Now select the right plane. So now I am going to add the chamfer feature. So I am going to use revolve cut, draw one center line, horizontally and one line vertically. See, draw one triangle connecting these two outer edges, and the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. And this is 1.6. Now select the mirror entities, select these lines, select the center line. Now select the revolve cut feature and select this line, horizontal line. So this is the chamfer cutout. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle. So this is the threaded feature and size is M12, so the diameter is 12. And select extruded cut, select the blind option and depth is 16. See here. So I am going to show you the cross section. So this is how it looks like. Now apply the thread feature. So we have to select this edge, outer edge. See here. Since it is starting from here, so we have to use offset. So I am going to take offset of 2 mm, but this is not this direction, so we have to flip the other direction. See here. And this blind value is 16, and we have to select the metric tab, and since it is M16 size, so M16 into 1.5, so 1.5 is the pitch value, and we have to select the cut thread and thread options, right handed thread. So based on the requirement we have to select this and say OK. So I am going to show you the cross section. So this is how it looks like, the threaded feature. Now I am going to apply fillet. So fillet value is 0.5. Select that edge. See here. So this is the final component. So this is brief about doomed or Acron Nut creation in Solidworks. Thanks for watching. For more videos on Solidworks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.